What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video on the just kind of like an unboxing type of deal, because I haven't really used it yet or anything like that. But I bought a Ryobi jigsaw. It was like $60. It wasn't the cheapest one, but it wasn't the most expensive either. But it had a lot of features and stuff, but the thing did not last. I mean, I used it all of 2 times, and on the second time, the motor that goes in and out just kind of bent and snapped off, and so that was the end of that. So I decided to try to get what you pay for type of deal with this Makita. So another reason I'm making this is because there's not a lot of, like, I didn't see any unboxing videos online, and like on the websites, they don't really tell you too much about the thing. So let's see here. Yeah, so it comes in this case, which, that's cool and everything, but let's get to the main event here. It uses T-shank blades. I believe you can use the U-shanks as well. But yeah, this got this for about $100 on Amazon. But comes with one blade. Looks like a pretty nice blade. The blades that came with the Ryobi, it came with, like, I don't know, maybe 3 blades, but they were shitty, man. And with the Ryobi, the blades wobbled in the thing from the start, so that should have told me something. But anyway, you just kind of twist, and the blade comes out. Has kind of like a thing to protect stuff from getting chewed up in there. This right here controls the orbital function. So you can turn it off, and the manual tells you like which one for what material. But there's 1, 2, 3, I guess, orbital speeds. And then back here is where you adjust the blade speed. Sorry, I'm trying to get this in focus, but it goes from 1 to 5. And then it has like a 2-finger trigger, which is kind of nice, and then a button so that you can lock it on if you don't feel like holding it. So yeah, I mean, seems pretty sturdy, pretty solid. The reason I went with the Makita is because my dad gave me a palm sander from 1983, and I used it to sand my subwoofer box, and the thing works amazing. And it's like over 30 years old, so figured I'd, try some brand loyalty up in this bitch. But yeah, it has a over here you got your Allen key, which honestly it sits in there kind of weird, but I guess it's better than nothing, right? And then of course you can use that to adjust this ride along plate, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's about all I'm gonna go through with you guys. Everything should work out, but if I have any problems, of course I'll shoot you with an update video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.